Hey guys, so welcome to another video. Okay, welcome to another day. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, maybe probably next week, Wednesday. Okay, so today I am going to be teaching you guys how to choose a particular editing software, okay, to edit your video. A lot of people, for beginners, this is actually beginners friendly. Okay, a lot of beginners may not know how to edit their videos, so this is for them. Okay, if you're a beginner, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your videos using CapCut. If you are new here, don't make it your last. Always come back to watch my videos, like, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe. After subscribing, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. And if you want to know more, then drop your comments in the comment section. Okay, if I'm also suggesting it to you by teaching you how to use how to use CapCut to edit your video. So without much ado, or without talking much, let's dive right into how to use CapCut to edit your video. So let's First off, you go to your menu, your phone menu bar, then you click on the app CapCut, and then when you click on it, then you select a video or a photo that you wish to use. So this is the volume, and then I've added some volume to my video so that the volume will be increased a little. And then after that, I went to caption, and then I added the caption to my video. I added the caption because I want the write-ups to be on the screen as you watch the video. So this is how to get the caption. And then you can also select the style or the font, whatever you want for the video. And then after that, you go to reduce noise, and then when you click on it, then every noise that is happening or played at the background, yeah, the reduced noise will just remove it, and then it will be left with your own original voice. Then over here I went to adjustment. I needed to apply some adjustment to the video so that to be more clearer, more smooth, more nicer. And then you can also use other filters too. So after you, if you use the adjustment or you prefer to use the filter, then you can also go for the filter. Then also, if you prefer the video quality, you can also choose the video quality. But the reason why I don't really use video quality is because it's long. It takes longer time to be to like it takes longer time, okay, than preferred than usual. Okay, so I prefer the adjustment, and then just click on auto adjust, and then that is it. But you can choose any of this, like the way I'm trying the this I'm just trying it for you guys to see. And then so I'm just trying this for you guys to see. So I just chose the night life, but then I just remove it because I don't really need it. But if you prefer to choose the nightlife, then you can just apply that. But this is my own choice. I don't want it. That is why I didn't apply it. So these are other features in the CapCut app. So this is the eye contact. This one, the purpose of this particular one is, let me say you want your eyes to be focused in the lens, the camera lens, then you just apply it, and then all throughout your video your eyes will just be on the camera lens. It will just be looking, but I don't want it, so I didn't use this. So I also went to other features. There are so many features that you can actually pick or choose from to make your video very good, very easy, and the quality will come out just perfect. So there are so many to pick from. So if you want to split, you just tap on the video your video, just tap it, and then the white line will show, then you tap it, and then you see split, volume, and other features will come up. Then you just click on the split and your video will split. And if you want to delete some parts that you don't want, you can just take it off with that and then leave the part that you want. So that is the purpose for the splitting of the video. And if you want to scroll or move your video from right to the left, you can just like put your hand on it, press, like hold it, and then just move it to the right or to the left, depending on where exactly you want to move your video. So this is what I am doing, and then I'm showing you guys that in case you want to do, just long press the video, the video that you are uploading, just long press it, and then you move it around to the left or to the right. Then you can also add other features in this particular part. So this is me moving the video left and right. I actually want to cut a particular part that I don't want. I will cut it and then just delete it, okay, because it's not needed. So YouTube can also delete any video part that you do not want. And this one here, you can also put it like it's transition, any transition you want, you can put it there. And this is me choosing overlay. I want to add another video to my original video that I already have here. So I'll just add it, and then I'll just choose overlay, and then it will open to my gallery, to take me to my gallery for me to choose the video that I want, and then I'll just upload it and then add it. And after that, then I went to reduce noise. I needed to reduce the noise. Initially, when I click reduce noise, they said I should just wait this thing for a little time or a little while, because yeah, a lot of people are using it. Okay, a lot of people use CapCut. So I did it again, and then it came, and this is the reduced noise. And they also have other enhanced voice. If you want to enhance your voice should be nice. The feature is also there. Just click on it and then you apply. So this is me doing my thing, you know, showing you guys how to actually use CapCut. To think that a lot of people really do not know how CapCut works, all the features. When Before I became a YouTuber, or when I started my YouTube channel, I tried a lot of editing app. Okay, I tried a lot of editing app, and I wasn't even getting the result that I want. So I was actually doing it gradually until I learned and I understood all the features and what they do. And this is me trying another feature. I decided to try it for the sake of this video, not because I actually use all the features, okay, or even the features that I'm showing here. I don't really use all, but for the sake of the video I am using it. And this is the sticker part. If you prefer or choose to add sticker to your video, which is very nice, which is good, because as a beginner or as a new YouTuber, it's good to add subscribe to my YouTube channel, the sticker, the bell icon, the like button. It's good to add stickers of that sort. And you will also see it in this video, because I'll also be adding sticker for you all to see. and I'll be adding the sticker at this particular part so that you understand the kind of sticker I'm talking about. But so as a beginner or as a new YouTuber, it's appropriate and it's right for you to use those subscribe stickers, like, share, all those stickers to help people understand that yes, they need to subscribe to your channel. So it is a plus to use stickers like of that sort, of the subscribe button or any emoji sticker that you want. And this is me choosing, I want the background. If you have a video like this particular one that I'm doing now, this video, if it come out, you see that the background is actually blur. Okay, it's not like blur blur, because I didn't want to go with the one that is actually blur, like blur completely. So if you this video, you see that the background is actually blur. So that is what I'm showing you guys. So that in case you have a video that let me say a Facebook video or a WhatsApp video, you want to make it like kind of YouTube video, or you want you can just make the background blur. Okay, so it will just go in like that. So over here they have the sound, they have the record, they have the brand music, they have the copyright music. And the copyright music, it like the normal music, like you can't, I don't normally use TikTok, CapCut music, sorry. I normally don't like using CapCut music because most of the music has copyright. So I will not advise you to use CapCut video. So this is a CapCut music. So this is me selecting for my own device because I saved some YouTube music this thing into my gallery so that I'll be able to have access and then use it like easily. So this is them saying link to TikTok account. If you want to use music from TikTok, that means you have to link your CapCut to your TikTok so that they will be able to have access to the TikTok music here. So me, I didn't use CapCut. I don't use CapCut music. I don't use TikTok music. I just upload YouTube music into my own device, and then I use Facebook, uh, YouTube music. So that is what I do because I don't want any strike or copyright issue on my video to 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 be hindered in any way. So my advice is do not use CapCut music or TikTok music for your YouTube video. Just use YouTube music, and your video is good to go viral. So this is me applying test, like write up. If you want to write anything, so you can write, you can use the text in the CapCut. So you use it. So you use the right app, and then you select the font, style, effect, animation. Which one do you want? Like there is so much to choose from. Template is also there. So which one you prefer is what you go for. So me, I just choose my own thing. You can choose any other thing. You can choose style, you can choose font, you can choose any font of your choice, template of your choice. But me, for the sake of this video, for the sake of this video, I didn't want to do too much. So you export after that at 1080p to get high quality video. If you want to enjoy CapCut, you need to pay monthly payment to enjoy CapCut. So that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post new video. So without further ado, see you in our next YouTube growth video.